A diamond with a flaw is worth more than a pebble without imperfections. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The tongue can paint what the eyes cannot see. A book holds a house of gold. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help someone else. A wise man adapts himself to circumstances, as water shapes itself to the vessel that contains it. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. A gentle hand may lead even an elephant by a hair. Do not fear going forward slowly. Fear only to stand still. A single arrow is easily broken, but not 10 in a bundle. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. The bamboo that bends is stronger than the oak that resists. Be not afraid of growing slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls, others build windmills. A wise man makes his own decisions. An ignorant man follows public opinion. Give a man a fish, and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. The best way to predict the future is to create it. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. A clear conscience is more valuable than wealth. The person who says it cannot be done should not interrupt the person who is doing it. A great fortune depends on a good name. The journey is the reward. A wise man knows everything. A shrewd one, everybody. To understand your parents' love, you must raise children yourself. Patience is a tree whose roots are bitter, but its fruit is sweet. If you are patient in one moment of anger, you will escape 100 days of sorrow. Man who waits for roast duck to fly into mouth must wait very, very long time. The best revenge is to live well. The obstacle is the path. Speak less than you know. Have more than you show. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. A fool sees not the same tree that a wise man sees. When you drink the water, remember the spring. A book is like a garden carried in the pocket. Better to light a candle than to curse the darkness.